Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday and happy Thanksgiving to you all. This will be the last Monday before Thanksgiving. So I'm going to do some this or that's for Thanksgiving. But I'm going to wear this mask. I got this mask from my subscriber Brenda Bolts. And she generously sent me some beautiful gifts. And this is one of the things in the box. And this is the Aceology Multivitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask. It illuminates, exfoliates, and strengthens. And I know I have tried Aceology peel-off mask and love it. I don't recall trying a sheet mask, but I've been wanting to try one for a while. And so I'm excited to try this. Ooh, it smells good. It smells very light. And it feels really good. It's not all runny. If I can get it, I might have to stop and get this on me and then come back. Oh, here, I'm starting to peel it now. Okay. It's very nice. Aceology is a really good skincare line. Oh, it smells so good. It's not real strong, which you don't want real strong for a face mask, in my opinion, or for any kind of facial stuff. But I like a little bit of a scent. So, okay, this is gonna go on like this. I'll put it on right, try to anyway. Ooh, it's cold. Y'all, it's real cold here. Okay, I guess it's real cold everywhere. It is winter, by the way. It is after all. Okay, so I have some Thanksgiving this or that. So I just thought it would be sort of fun to do. Ooh, I'm cold. Look at how nice this fits, y'all. It just looks like my skin, in the places that I have it on. I like that. It fits really well. I always have a little trouble around the nose, getting it just right. But this is the type that'll stay on, I believe, even with me talking. So that is nice. I see the Aceology masks sometimes in Fab Fit Fun sales, maybe Boxy sales. They're quite expensive. So it was nice to get this as a gift. Leave Aceology mask and tools in charge of the instant results and long-term benefits. So hang on, that's not blah, 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 blah. It says, oh, to leave this on for 30 minutes. Wow. Okay, that's good. So what you're supposed to do is you clean your face and then put this on. And then they're all a little bit different. Some of them say 5 minutes, some say 10, some say 15, some say 20. This one says 30, so that sounds nice. And it does feel really good. So, all right, let's do our questions. And let's see. All right. I just sort of put a couple of these together. I took them off of the internet, and I may have done similar questions in the past, but, it's just some cute little ones for Thanksgiving. So this or that. Turkey or ham. And for me, for Thanksgiving, I like turkey. We usually always did turkey for Thanksgiving and ham for Christmas. So I know a lot of people do turkey for Christmas also, but my family doesn't. My dad doesn't really love turkey. So we actually have fresh Polish sausage also with our turkey. We didn't do that forever, but as, it's been a while we've been doing that. Pumpkin pie or apple pie? My mom makes both of those. And the pumpkin pie, not everybody likes pumpkin pie. So I like a sliver of it, and I like fresh whipped cream on top. But if I have to choose between the two, definitely my mom makes the best apple pie in the world. And I've had a lot of apple pies here and there. And nobody makes apple pie like my mom. My mom makes the best crust. She just does. And then the next question is whipped cream or Cool Whip. And definitely whipped cream over Cool Whip. I will eat Cool Whip, but I like real whipped cream. Sweet potatoes or mashed potatoes. We have both at our meal. We have a lot of starch, a lot of starchy things. So sweet potatoes, usually my aunt makes them and she candies them. And then we also have, you know, mashed potatoes, cream potatoes, whatever you want to call it. And I love that with the homemade gravy. Yum, yum. Football or a parade? For me, definitely a parade. You know, football's okay. I do, you know, it depends on who's playing. Some years I get into football more so than other years, depending on what teams are doing, who's playing and how good they're playing. But I always do love the Macy's parade. I always like to have that on while we're, you know, getting things ready for the meal. So, next question is, do the cooking or the cleanup? And I much prefer to do the cooking, but I will definitely help with the cleanup. But yeah, I'd rather cook. Casual or dressy? And you know, over the years it could be both, but I prefer to dress up a little bit. It doesn't have to be, you know, an evening gown, but I like to look a little nice. Movie or a nap? Definitely a movie. I'm not a napper. I'm not a good napper. I'm a person that does not nap well. If I take a nap, I feel lousy afterwards, so it's not good for me to nap. I'd rather watch a movie. Turkey soup or a turkey sandwich the next day. And, they're both wonderful. Again, my mother will make the turkey soup, homemade, fantastic. I love homemade soup. I'm a good soup maker also. But that turkey sandwich is so good too. But if I have to pick, I'll take the turkey soup, okay? And then Black Friday or Cyber Monday. And now, you know, it seems last year especially, maybe that's when it first sort of started. You know, the sales right now, they have all these Black Friday sales going on. Not just right now, but since November happened, maybe even, you know, in October. I mean, Amazon had their, what was that thing called that they do their I forget what they call it now. The Amazon days, I forget what they call it, but they've already done that. They've done it a couple of times this year. Used to, they just would do it at Thanksgiving. There's just so many, you don't have to wait for Black Friday anymore, and you don't have to wait for Cyber Monday anymore. And last year I noticed that there were a lot of the Cyber Monday deals were happening on Black Friday. So if you didn't want to go out and shop, you could do it on your computer. So, but that's how I am. I'm not one of those people that has to go out on Black Friday. I'd rather not go out. Although I will go if a bunch of friends are going. I'm not gonna stay up overnight on the sidewalk and wait for the store to open. No, never. I'm not gonna get up at the crack of dawn. I'll get up normal time. I'll leave the house at 8 or 9 o'clock and go shopping. That'll be fine. Because if I'm with some girlfriends and having a good time and we'll go to lunch and everything, that's okay. But other than that, I'm not a person that I have to get all those bargains. I don't have a lot of people to shop for, so I don't do that. So anyway, that is my this or that Thanksgiving. And I'm gonna go because this has to stay on. It's not even really been 10 minutes, so I'm gonna keep this on a while because it feels so good. This essence is just so nice. So I was gonna look and see what's in it, but it's just, I don't know. It's not, like I said, it's not runny, it's not dripping. It hasn't dripped at all on me. It feels wonderful. So thank you so much, Brenda, for this mask. I'm happy to get it. Like I said, I don't think I've ever done an Aceology sheet mask. I have done the peel-offs. So I'm happy to have this. And y'all, thanks so much. Thanks for stopping by. If you only come and see me on Mondays, then I want to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. That's it. So count your blessings, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.